seriously.
Come on.
No video.
I thought you're gonna dry my hair.
Dry.
Sorry, people. He's drunk.
This is what happens when you're poor. You gotta dry hair.
You're goofy.
Now dry. Yeah,
No,
dry.
it's not. How are you gonna finish your episode?
One more. Dry.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
This is what happens when you're drunk.
Demo, you didn't want to drink.
Yeah.
I offered you lots and lots of drinks.
Mm,
And you said no.
why is that?
I don't know. Because you not feel good. But it's okay because I dry.
This is why I didn't drink, babe.
But I still dry.
To make sure you get home safe.
Thank you, babe. You're my sweetheart.
But
But what? But
you lead the way.
Demo nande lead the way.
You told the taxi where to go.
That's
Which
because even though I'm drunk, I still know.
Yeah, how is that? How do you do that?
Because I used to get drunk a lot.
Busted.
Oh, she caught me. Uh-oh, trouble.
Babe, this is just in case you don't remember anything tomorrow.
I will remember everything, babe. Because I love you.
Honto.
Hontoyo. I love you lots and lots.
No,
Niña call.
Niña call.
Yay.
Love you.
Nina call.
Say
Yay.
good night to them.
Good
Because you're gonna
night.
finish your episode and then
Hi. Good night.
bye bye.
Bye-bye.